If you're milling your own timber, a surface planer is essential to ensure you have straight, smooth, square edges and faces ready for the thicknesser or for jointing. If you want to remove bows, cups and twists from your timber, whip out the Triton TSPL152. Give it a couple of passes and in no time take your rough stock and transform it into perfectly prepared timber for your next project. And with a maximum cut width of 152 millimeters and a cutting depth of up to 3.2 millimeters in a single pass, you can tackle a wide range of work pieces with fewer passes, saving both time and effort. Powerful 1100 watt motor means the TSPL152 is capable of cutting hard and soft wood and will give you fantastic results on even the toughest timber. With a dual blade drum and high quality HSS or high speed steel blades, you'll get 16,000 cuts per minute and clean, consistent results on your workpiece every time. An extruded aluminium fence tilts from 45 to 135 degrees, giving you stability when making passes and versatility in achieving a range of angles. Planing produces a lot of wood chips, so extraction is key. Fitted with a dust extraction port with an outer diameter of 62 millimeters and inner of 58 millimeters, your workspace will be kept clean and clear. The adjustable blade guard reduces the chance of kickback and increases operator safety. A large 770 by 260 millimeter in and out feed table give you stability when running longer workpieces through the planer. A push stick and push blocks come in the box to keep you safe when planing and give you more control of the workpiece during operation. Bench mounting holes allow for the tool to be secured to the worktop for a safer, more secure working environment. Complete the milling process and combine your TSPL152 with Triton's best-selling TPT125 thicknesser, taking your smooth, square timber to your desired depth ready for joinery, furniture making, and any woodworking projects where accurate dimensional timber is required. An 1100 watt motor, 16,000 cuts per minute, a max planing depth of 3.2 millimeters in a single pass, a max planing width of 152.4 millimeters, a fence angle of 45 to 135 degrees, a table size of 770 by 260 millimeters, and a no-load speed of 8,000 revolutions per minute. The ability to mill your own timber can save you money and give you more control of the material used in your projects. The Triton TSPL152 Surface Planer is all about giving you consistency, precision, and speed in the workshop. From flattening warp boards to smoothing rough timber, it delivers professional results and perfect surfaces every time.